Welcome! I'm so glad you're here, joining me as we step into a season that's all about warmth, togetherness, and a touch of creative magic. The air is crisp, and the holidays are near. There's something special about this time of year, the way the world seems to slow down, inviting us to savor the little moments and the beauty all around us. This season is about gathering with loved ones, making memories that last, and filling our homes with laughter, comfort, and warmth. Whether it's a quiet evening by the fire or a lively dinner with friends, every moment feels a little more magical. True holiday decor isn't about buying new things. It's about seeing beauty in what you already have. It's about finding joy in the familiar and letting your creativity shine as you transform everyday items into something festive and meaningful. The most meaningful decorations are often handmade, using simple items from around your home. These little touches carry stories and memories, making your space feel uniquely yours and filled with love. In this video, I'll show you easy creative projects to transform everyday objects into festive decor. You don't need fancy supplies, just a bit of imagination and a willingness to try something new. Let's make this season about resourcefulness, heart, and a little holiday magic. Together, we'll create a home that feels welcoming, joyful, and truly special, one handmade detail at a time. Let's bring instant coziness into your home with the warm, inviting glow of candlelight, using something as simple as empty glass jars you might already have in your kitchen. With just a little creativity, these everyday items can be transformed into magical candle holders that add a special touch to any holiday table or cozy corner. Start by cleaning your jars thoroughly, making sure to remove any labels and residue. A fresh, spotless jar is the perfect blank canvas for your creativity, and it ensures your finished candle holders look polished and professional. Next, paint the outside of your jars with chalk paint for a soft, matte finish, or try metallic paint for a festive, shimmery effect. You can even experiment with patterns, stencils, or ombre colors to match your holiday decor or personal style. If you prefer a more rustic or textured look, wrap your jars in twine, lace, or burlap. Add ribbons, small pine cones, or even sprigs of greenery for extra charm. These little details make each candle holder unique and full of character. Once your jars are decorated, simply drop in a tea light or a battery-operated candle. This is a safe and easy way to create a warm, flickering glow that instantly makes any space feel more inviting and festive. The real magic happens when the candlelight flickers through your handmade designs, casting beautiful patterns and a soft, enchanting light throughout the room. It's a simple way to add a touch of wonder to your holiday evenings. For a designer-inspired look, group jars of different heights and shapes together on a mantle, shelf, or as a centerpiece on your holiday table. Mixing sizes creates a dynamic display that draws the eye and feels thoughtfully arranged. Varying the heights and styles of your jars adds visual interest and depth, making your arrangement feel intentional and curated, rather than random. Take a moment to arrange your candle holders purposefully, playing with spacing and angles until you find a look that feels just right for your space. These upcycled jars become unique, glowing accents that bring warmth, personality, and a handmade touch to your holiday home. Each one tells its own story. This project is simple, affordable, and full of heart, perfect for anyone who loves adding a personal, creative flair to their holiday decorating. So gather your jars, let your imagination shine, and light up the season with your own magical, handmade candle holders. Bare walls? Let's turn cardboard boxes into festive art. Cut out holiday shapes, stars, trees, or circles, from cardboard. Wrap them in leftover wrapping paper, magazine pages, or book sheets. Add personal touches, a button, ribbon, or a dash of glitter. Mount your creations with removable strips for a gallery wall effect. Cluster stars above a console or trees up a staircase for big impact. It's high style, zero cost, and full of handmade charm. Transform your walls with a story only you can tell. For a stunning centerpiece, upcycle tin cans. Clean and smooth the edges, then wrap cans in flannel, wallpaper, or leftover paper. Fill with fresh greenery, pine cones, or painted branches for a natural touch. Group cans of different sizes on a tray or runner for a lush, abundant look. Let greenery spill and mingle for effortless beauty. These centerpieces celebrate resourcefulness and nature. Perfect for holiday meals and conversations. Simple, sustainable, and striking. Your table, reimagined. Garlands add instant cheer, and you can make them from scraps. Cut circles, stars, or triangles from paper or fabric. String them on twine with glue or stitch through the centers for a fluttery effect. Mix paper and fabric for rustic charm. Hang garlands over doorways, mantels, or trees for a pop of color and texture. Get the kids involved for extra fun and memories. Handmade garlands bring warmth to every corner. Festive, easy, and full of joy. Give old plates and cups new life as decorative bowls. Choose a vessel, vintage, plain, or wooden. Fill with pine cones, dried oranges, ornaments, or beads for a layered look. Mix textures for visual interest. Arrange on coffee tables, shelves, or entryways for a curated touch. These displays are quick, personal, and use what you already have. Forgotten dishes become seasonal highlights. Simple, beautiful, and meaningful. Nothing says holiday magic like fairy lights in glass bottles. Clean empty wine or glass bottles thoroughly. Feed in battery-operated fairy lights. Many come with cork-style battery packs. Switch them on for an instant, mesmerizing glow. Line bottles on windowsills or group on mantels for a sophisticated display. The glass amplifies the twinkle, creating a firefly effect. It's elegant, easy, and takes just minutes. Let your home sparkle with bottle light magic. If you're short on space or simply want to try something new this holiday season, don't worry. There are plenty of creative alternatives to the traditional Christmas tree. Whether you live in a cozy apartment, a dorm room, or just want to switch things up, these ideas will help you bring festive cheer into your home without the need for a full-size tree. Try stacking your favorite books in a tree shape for a whimsical, personal touch. Add a string of lights or a few ornaments to make it feel extra special. This is a great way to showcase your personality and love for reading while celebrating the season. Or, place a painted or natural branch in a vase and decorate it with twinkling lights, colorful ornaments, and even a bit of ribbon. This simple centerpiece brings a touch of nature indoors and can be customized to match your style. For a truly space-saving option, use washi tape or paper triangles to create a tree shape right on your wall. This playful, modern look is perfect for small spaces and can be easily removed or changed up each year. String fairy lights in a zigzag pattern to form a glowing tree outline. You can add photos, cards, or small ornaments to the lights for a personal touch that shines bright all season long. Get crafty by making your own ornaments or garlands from paper, felt, or recycled materials. Handmade decorations add warmth and charm, making your space feel truly unique and festive. These creative alternatives can become the festive focal point of your home, proving that you don't need a traditional tree to capture the holiday spirit. However you choose to decorate, remember, the most important tradition is making your space feel joyful and welcoming. Celebrate your way and let your creativity shine this holiday season. Don't wait to enjoy your beautiful wrapping paper. Use it as decor. Wrap empty boxes in your favorite papers and ribbons. Choose a color palette to match your holiday style. Add bows, greenery, or ornaments for extra flair. Stack wrapped boxes under the tree, on shelves, or in entryways. They add instant festivity and anticipation. It's a simple way to showcase your style before the gifts are even given. Let your gift wrap set the scene. As we wrap up, remember, holiday decorating is about heart, not perfection. Use what you have, get creative, and make memories along the way. The most beautiful homes are filled with love and personal touches. Your home tells your story. Let this season be a magical chapter. If you enjoyed these ideas, like, share, and subscribe for more DIY inspiration. Happy holidays, and keep creating.